Here I have 3 different audio files. Let's see how to combine them. Go to your browser and search for merge mp3 and open this website. In here, click on choose files. Now from your computer, select the audio file, then hold down the control key and then select other mp3 files. Once you selected all of them, click on open. And here we can see all of my mp3 is now uploading. It may take some moments to process, and then from here you can drag and drop to rearrange your audio clips just like this. You can also add more audio clips by clicking here. Once you're happy, click on export. In just a few seconds, your all mp3 files will merge into a single audio clip. Here we can see the audio clip. Now just click on download, and that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.